my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this bob. I'm loving this bob. Like the color and everything is just giving me like sexy. It's giving me like real sexy grown woman, grown lady, adult type of vibes, you know what I mean? Like it's so cute. The color is blended in so nice, and the lace, bomb laces all year, all 20. Are we in 2020 or 2019? I think we're in 2019. All bomb laces, all 2019. All right, y'all, so if you guys are interested in this look, keep on watching. All right, y'all, so this is the wig that I got from ROYALME hair, and I'm going ahead now and I'm just going to be putting some of that powder on my lace. I always like to put powder on my lace just to blend it out a bit. I did not have to bleach the knots on this wig. ROYALME hair comes with their knots already perfectly bleached. Like, y'all, look at this. I haven't even cut the lace and it's just beautiful. Like, the lace quality on ROYALME hair, they really do have some bomb quality hair. Like, look at that lace. I haven't even glued down my hair yet and it just looks melted. So anyways, guys, I'm going ahead and I'm cutting around my ears, and after that I'm going to just cut off the lace and begin to apply the wig. So I'm going to be using some Ghost Bond glue today, and I'm going to be gluing down my hair in 3 different sections. I'm going to do the first middle part, and then I'm going to go left to right, and I'm only going to be putting 2 layers of glue on my hair. I never really use more than 2 layers, so keep that in mind and keep that as a tip. So now that So now that the glue is dried, I'm just going ahead and patting it down and basically tapping it through, because I like to keep my laces, because I like to apply my laces when my glue is super wet but clear. You guys have to be very careful when tapping the glue into the lace, because if you do press through too hard, it can smear, it can turn it white. And a lot of people tell me that their laces with Ghost Bond are coming out white, and I just personally feel like you guys might be using too much glue. You're not letting it dry all the way through, or you're pressing it before it fully dries. You're pressing it too hard, so make sure you guys press lightly. So now I'm going in and I'm just doing the corners, and I'm also going in with my hot comb. I don't know why I couldn't just wait. But alright, y'all, now that the glue is fully dry, I'm put on my wig, and I did realize that one side was a bit longer. So I'm kind of going in with my shear scissors and I'm just cleaning that up a bit. And after that, I'm just about to start my baby hairs. So I'm not going to be doing a front swoop. I have my moods depending on how the lace lays. Depends on if I'll do a front swoop. But when a lace is laid like perfectly like this and melt straight in, I usually like to just skip out on that front swoop, and I'll just, you know, do a little push back and then start my baby hairs on the side. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. And as for the baby hair gel that I'm using, I am using the She's Balm Collection Balm Who Gel. And that's basically my go-to gel for my baby hair. So I'm going to be using that, and I'm just cutting my baby hairs with a razor. I'm not really going to go into too much detail because I have so many dedicated baby hair tutorials. You guys will just have to just look through and check out one of those for like full-on details on how I get my baby hairs to what they look like. So now I'm basically finished with my baby hairs. I'm now going to be slicking out my hair with the wax stick, and after that I'm going to be hot combing it, and I did spray a little bit of oil sheen. So I am going to be hot combing it and defining my part. Royal Me literally bleached these knots to perfection. Like, the knots are perfect. Like, look at my part, y'all. Like, I really don't have to do nothing to my part if I really didn't want to. Like, it looks beautiful. Royal Me has some real nice quality hair. Like, so now I'm going to be going in with my Conair Nano Titanium Flat Iron, and I'm just going to be slightly bumping out my hair and giving it some curls so it don't look straight. As you guys can see, there's like a difference with the flat iron side and the regular side. So I'm just going in with my flat iron and I'm just getting that together. So it did end up bothering me how much longer one side was than the other. So I did go back in with my scissors and I'm just cleaning that up a bit some more. So now I'm gonna just be going in with my makeup powder. I'm just using a lighter makeup powder and I'm just lining that out. As you guys can see, that's just giving me a more natural colored scalp, and it's just basically making it look more crispy and sharp. I love to do this and it is a go-to thing for me. Now with my oil sheen and my spritz, I'm basically laying out the top of my hair. This is gonna help with any flyaways or any dead like split in hairs and strings like that. I'm just taking my hot comb and doing that. Also, this just not only helps with flattening out your hair and getting like flyaways and little loose strings, but it also just gives you like a crisp look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the final look, and I don't even know I said welcome back if I've been talking, but this is the final look. So I did cut the bob a little bit shorter. I want to say that the wig came at maybe like an 18-inch, and I cut it down to like maybe like an 8-inch, 9-inch bob, because I like my bobs to be really short. I don't like when it lays on the shoulders. I feel like if this bob with this color would have laid on my shoulders, it would have made me look like an older woman type of thing, and that's not what I'm going for. I'm going for like a hot girl, you know what I'm saying? So this hair is from Royal Me hair. I've worked with this company a few times already, and they do have like fine quality HD laces. Their hair is super good and super nice. So I am definitely willing to work with this company again. They have bomb quality hair. Like, I love their hair. Hold on, I don't know if I didn't put enough gel right here. Like, this side is like lifting up faster. So I had to look on the other side and see what the fuck going on. Yeah, y'all. So this is the hair and this is how I'm gonna have it. This is a 13x6 lace front. I was gonna do a side part, but if I did, you would see the tracks. So I just left it at the middle part. Kept it simple. The hair did come bleached like this, so if you guys don't really know how to dye your hair good, this is the perfect wig for you because it came already pre-bleached. I'll have all the information listed down in the description box so you guys can just get this wig, you know what I'm saying, and get it popping. comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the bob. Let me know what you think of the color and the look on me. Comment down below more hairstyles you guys want to see me try, colors and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.